this demonstration, you'll learn how to perform the installation for Ansys Electronics Release 19 Remote Simulation Manager on the Linux platform. Before proceeding, close all Ansys applications. Download the Ansys product files from the Ansys customer portal. Have administrator access to the installation. Extract the product file to an accessible directory. This tutorial will begin in the location of the Ansys EM 19.0 product extracted files. Run and install batch script as root user. This brings up the Ansys Electromagnetics installation shell screen. Select Install Electromagnetics RSM. Click Next to continue. Read the ClickWrap software license agreement completely. If you agree to the terms, select the Accept the Terms box. Click Next to proceed with the installation. Enter the username that will own the software. This user will need to have sufficient privileges to write to the specified installation directory. Select Next. You can now choose where to install the Ansys EM products on your computer. Accept the default installation directory, or you may enter your own directory. Click Next to continue. Now ensure other applications are closed and review these settings. Notice this dialog gives required disk space. If you are satisfied with the settings, click Next to complete the installation. The installation wizard now installs the Ansys Electromagnetics RSM. After installation completes, press Finish and exit the dialog. Press Exit on the original installation shell window to complete the installation. In order to use RSM, the service must be started on each computer and the application registered with the RSM service. To start the RSM service, open the terminal as root. Run /opt/AnsysEM /RSM /Linux64 /Ansoft RSM service start on boot. To register the Ansys Electromagnetics 19.0 suite with RSM, open the terminal as root. Run /opt/AnsysEM /AnsysEM 19.0 /Linux64 register engines with RSM.pl add. This concludes the installation demonstration of the Ansys Electromagnetics RSM on the Linux platform.